Paragraf yang pertama, private and international school make it priority over with array in extracurricular. Di sini privat dan international schoolnya tuh subjek, make-nya tuh verb, priority to over-nya tuh itu preposition. Di with array of extracurricular itu of-nya itu adalah konektor. Baiklah, di bawah kalimat itu ada kalimat regardless of inclination and performance. Of adalah konektor. Kalimat ini termasuk dependent plus clause. Baiklah, di kalimat selanjutnya ada although there are parent. Kita mendapatkan subjek di parent. Who can be average to their children spending. Untuk verbnya di spending to. Kita dapat to preposition. Most time and in-nya itu preposition. Baiklah, paragraf kedua, physical and mental development. Untuk kalimat selanjutnya, sport help refine a young person motor skill and cognitive function. Untuk subjeknya di sport, verbnya tuh di help. Selanjutnya, ensuring that this develop on track and maximally. Baiklah, di kata ensuring jadi ensuring. Kata ini termasuk dependent clause. Di sebelah development on track, on-nya itu preposition. Baiklah, kalimat selanjutnya, don't worry about bruises and bumps. Children are designed to recover quickly from injuries. Ensuring berubah jadi ensuring. Kalimat yang baru ini termasuk dependent clause. Di on-nya tuh terdapat preposition. This also teaches them resilience to get up and try again, and the importance of teamwork in the case of support or project. Subjeknya tuh di this also, teaches-nya tuh verb, to-nya tuh preposition, of preposition, in preposition, of preposition di kalimat tersebut. Baiklah, ini paragraf selanjutnya di kalimat baru. Furthermore, sport and out of classroom activity are powerful learning experience where students can develop their passions, motivations, and time management. Furthermore itu adalah preposition, support and out of classroom itu subjek, activity are-nya itu verb, powerful learning experience where student can develop low passion, motivation, and time management itu dependent clause. Baiklah, kalimat selanjutnya yaitu these are perfect opportunity for young people to practice and hone a variety of skill in a casual environment as they go to different level of education and actuality the working world. Untuk subjek yaitu di this are into verb, young people to-nya to preposition, and hone variety of-nya preposition, skill in-nya to preposition, level of-nya to preposition. Observe and extracurricular clubs, meeting and activities, and you notice the immense amount of interpersonal communication and leadership play that take place. Observer and extracurricular clubs itu subjek, meeting and activities itu verb. Modern day educational research focuses for a key and resilience in the face of failure over IQ, and extracurricular activity are an excellent catalyst for improvement in this art. Modern day educational itu subject, research itu verb, resilient innya tuh verb, the face of-nya tuh verb juga. As children debate, speak, publicly, and work together as a team, they develop empathy, which in the crux of succeeding in adult life. As children itu subject, debate itu verb, crux of succeeding of-nya tuh preposition, succeeding innya tuh pun preposition. Kalimat selanjutnya, beside broadening their perspective, experiential learning opportunities also boost self-esteem. Beside-nya itu subjek, broadening-nya itu verb. This a opening experience endow young people with a sense of belonging, which in private be a web of close friendship among schoolmates who are sharing the same experience. The A-nya itu subject, opening-nya itu verb. We all excel with different styles of learning. Untuk subjeknya tuh we all, verbnya tuh di excel, with-nya itu preposition, style of-nya itu pun preposition. Untuk kalimat berikutnya, nya itu subjek, unneedable itu verb. That different people do better. Innya tuh preposition, different academic, supposed to which in the day why student must be experienced to-nya pun preposition, and variety of-nya pun preposition. Kalimat selanjutnya, introducing your student or child-nya itu subject, to-nya tuh verb, about of-nya tuh preposition. Baiklah, paragraf keempat, the need for break, exercise, re-energies-nya tuh subject, the mean before-nya tuh preposition. Student who exercise frequently-nya tuh subject, have-nya tuh verb, been found to-nya tuh preposition. Baiklah, di which di sini termasuk adjective clause connector. Ini juga termasuk struktur paralel. Baiklah, kalimat paragraf selanjutnya, cut student itu termasuk subjek, sedangkan verbnya itu ada di listen. Baiklah, di kalimat selanjutnya, extracurricular activities itu termasuk subjek, verbnya itu di help. Baiklah, yang keenam, school trip and excursions. Norway, many school itu subjek, itu termasuk verb. Baiklah, kalimat baru, dash trip-nya itu subjek, over-nya itu verb, to preposition, opposite of school of-nya tuh preposition, explicitly in-nya tuh preposition. Kalimat selanjutnya, beside trip, outdoor activity and camping itu termasuk subjek, have-nya itu verb, been found to-nya tuh preposition, instead consent, and to-nya itu pun preposition, children to-nya pun preposition, trino experience. Kalimat yang terakhir, activities like hiking, aktivitasnya itu subjek, hiking, swimming, sailing, kayaking, and just
being itu termasuk verb, itu juga paralel. Close to-nya juga preposition. Of and classroom of-nya juga termasuk preposition. Baiklah, yang ke-8, don't hold your children. Children itu subjek, your children. Back from the multitude. Of-nya tuh preposition. Skill that extracurricular activities. Aktivitasnya itu baru verb. Yang kalimat kedua, research-nya tuh subjek, has-nya tuh verb. Important, in-nya tuh preposition. Baiklah, kalimat terakhir, very itu termasuk subjek. Sport-nya itu verb, of-nya itu preposition.